In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an RGB glitch effect like this. Let's dive in. Once your text is ready, navigate to the Effects panel. Enter RGB into the search bar and apply the Color Balance RGBs effect to your text by double-clicking with the left mouse button. Here we have values for red, green, and blue colors. Make 2 more copies of the text. Now select the first layer and change the value of red to 100. And change the value of green and blue to 0. Also, change the blend mode to screen. Now select the second layer and change the value of red to 0, green to 100, and blue to 0. Also, change the blend mode to screen. Now select the third layer and change the value of red and green to 0, and blue to 100. Also, change the blend mode to screen. Make sure the text looks white after changing the RGB values and blend mode. Don't worry if the values of RGB shows 39 instead of 100, you don't need to change it again to 100. Now select the top video layer and create 3 keyframes with a gap of 1 frame. And change the value of the middle one as per you like. After changing the position of the top text layer, you can see the colors changing. Ensure the playhead is positioned on the first keyframe before selecting the second text layer. Now, replicate the keyframes onto the second text layers. Modify the value of the middle keyframe to the direction opposite to that of the top text layer. That's it! You have created an RGB glitch effect. You can experiment by using different values of position, scale, and rotation all together or one by one to create different styles. Here I will change the vertical values to create a slightly different effect. Now I will change the scale values to create a slightly different effect. Now I will change the rotation values to create a slightly different effect. This is how you can experiment with different values and create awesome new effects. And that is it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.